Good morning. Welcome, everybody. I'm Mark Bowick. I'm Deputy Director here at KITP. This conference is part of the first week, actually, of an 8-week program on many-body quantum optics. We always like to ask, the first thing is, for how many people is this the first time here in this building in Cone Hall? Good, okay, almost a half, so that's what we strive for. Let me just tell you a little bit about how KITP works. So we rely on the international community to suggest long-term research programs. We run about 10 to 12 of those every year, and they're developed, as I said, in collaboration with you. We have an advisory board of about 17 people who join us in evaluating the proposals that come in. And in like February of each year, we choose programs for basically 2 years ahead. So programs have already been announced for 2025-26, and they're due right now for the following, so the 2026-2027 program year. You're very welcome to talk to anybody who's on the advisory board to get advice about submitting proposals, as well as me and our director, Lars Bilston. There are some members of the advisory board here at this meeting. Anna Maria Ray. Yeah, they just sneaked in, so she can give you a lot of advice. Monica Schleier-Smith is on the advisory board. She'll be here. So a lot of people that you can call on. Okay, just some, just take care of some administrative things. So there's a code of conduct that's posted out in the hallway. Please read that, and so that we have conference conducted in a professional, respectful manner. I just want to thank the NSF for supporting this conference. This program was organized by Derek Chang, Ash Clark, and Alejandro Gonzalez Tudela, and Alejandro was the lead person responsible for the conference, so please give him a round of applause. We all work with our staff, so Claudia Gutierrez, she was the staff person responsible for conferences. She's not here today, but please thank her. She does a great job. Our IT head guru is Craig. He's over there. Please thank you, Craig. And we have Alina Gutierrez, who's out there in the ether, does a great job in posting all your online talks. She's the head of the online talk. So thank you, Alina. All right, if you, for wireless, most people have Edirome, so you can use that. If you have problems, just let us know. Everything is recorded unless the speaker is asked to opt out. So please use those microphones for questions, even though you might be able to hear in the room. People watching the talks afterwards or people who are online won't be able to hear if you don't use those microphones. About the only rule we have here for talks is that half as much time again is allowed for discussion. So you'll see that all your talks are 30 plus 15 minutes for discussion. So it's very important to try to respect that. And Alejandro is the first session chair, so he's going to set the tone for the rest of the program. If he fails, the rest of the conference fails. So. No pressure. I'm sure he'll do a great job. The talks, speakers will have information in their packets, instructions sent to you by Alina for submitting your talk so that they can be posted online and they go up pretty much immediately. The staff will be wearing name tags if you need help, and it's very important for you to wear your name tags for the refreshments, which are in the courtyard over there through the common room where the posters will be. There's another program going on at the moment on active solids, so they'll think all those that food is also for them, and so that's why staff needs to see your name tags. The parking, if you need parking, it's in lot 10, that building right there to the north. Santa Barbara is very unusual in that the coast here runs east-west, so that's like south out there towards the ocean, north to the mountains. And you just go to the top floor there, and there's a kiosk, or VIP parking. If you have to get in, so the doors close at 4:30. If you have to get in after that, there's a way to get in through a door on that side, on the west side of the building, where the caterers get in for refreshments, so you can get in there after hours. If you're bringing any extra person to the 2 conference dinners, please let them know at the front desk so that they have an accurate count. And the shuttle will leave promptly at the end of the day after the last talk or after the dinner, on the 2 days that there is dinner. And there's also a sign-up sheet out there for at the end of the conference if you're taking the Santa Barbara Airbus to LAX or the Amtrak from the train station or anything like that, just sign up out there. Okay, I think that's it for me, so I'm going to pass it over to Alejandro to get the conference running.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so thanks for the introduction. The first thing is that, of course, you all know, but Anna, so you forgot to mention Anna in the organizers. So Anna Senjo is also involved. And also, even though I'm formally the lead of the kind of conference, it has been a very collaborative effort between Ash, Anna, and Derek, who unfortunately has his flight canceled twice. So he's apparently coming now Wednesday. So I don't know what's going on. So yeah, he will be here. So yes. So apart from that, so well, first of all, thank you for coming. So I really hope that you enjoy, and so everything will depend. So I'm sure that we'll have great talks. With that, so that to keep up with the schedule, so maybe we can start with the first one, which will be given by Jelena Vukovic, who could not come but offered to give the talk by Zoom. So it's half an hour for plus 15 of questions. Okay, so thanks.
Yeah, thank you.